Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today I am unboxing a new color pencil set. This set is from Indigo, so it is a unique brand in my understanding, and we're going to try this set out. We got ourselves about 24 of the core pencils, so I do not see the mixing essential white in here, but aside from that, the standard colors are all there. We have the orange, greens, different tones of blues, yellow, beige, and we have black, some shades of browns. So we're going to doodle with these and see how these work for us. So I'm just randomly trying out a sketch here. So I'm not using any other media. I'm just going to use the pencil set itself to sketch ourselves, let's say, a horse. Have is a decent enough set to practice with, play around with, and I'm not exactly sure if you will come to rely on this Indigo, I guess that's Indigo chapters set to attempt your more standard projects. Standard as in, again, as I have mentioned, it implies that you are either doing a project, you're preparing an illustration that is work related, or even in college, or even if it's in school. It's all very significant in terms of the accuracy, the effect that you achieve, and of course the tools that you use do matter in that case. So I myself will use this traditionally more for experimentation. I do not feel that same ease of blending, and as you see, like, there's some rough edges here as I am going outward, but again, decent enough for some core sketching. And just for fun, I'm going to throw in tone here and see how this blends in, because yellow usually does not constrict unless you throw in a blue, and then it shifts into an entirely different color, mostly green. But when I'm talking about throwing it on here on a bunch of browns and blacks, I don't suppose that it should really harm the composition at all. So that's just for fun's sake. And so my consensus is they're okay. Again, they're not your essential project pencils, but yes, they are definitely good to put down some basic casual sketch and to maintain a bit of blending here and there with just that much effect. Right, so thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, share your own views on different art tools with us. We would love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day.